Hello ladies and gents, we just finished a Dacia Duster press conference. So here's the new Duster. This is the full hybrid. You can see the hybrid badge. 140 horsepower, automatic. Cargo space is nice and big. They've pulled the bench a little bit backwards, so you have more leg space on the rear bench and widen it a little bit, so cargo space should be the same. Now, keys in the cars, just to show you the profile. The new Duster 3rd gen looks really beautiful, more mature, better looking car, but it's also very much improved, and ride comfort is improved, sound is improved, steering is improved, new engine with the new hybrid. It's also improved compared to the one that we tested in the Jogger. So let's jump inside. Okay, so there's another person with me because we're both on the press conference. Starting the car, now putting to drive. Now for the full hybrid, it's the only automatic at the moment. I heard some whispers they might be automatic in the future for the all-wheel drive version. Now this is the hybrid that we tested in the Jogger, but it's slightly improved as well. And we have the drive and we have the B for recuperation. So recuperation allows you to charge the battery more, and it's shorter stopping distance because of more recuperation. Now sometimes the engine, like right now, thinks the battery should be charged and you can hear the engine, but people were a bit annoyed by that in the other models, so they've dampened the sound around the engine a little bit more. The engine is more efficient, it's more quieter now, but combined with the electric, you can drive in silence. Now you're driving electric, it's using the battery, you can see the energy flow, so you have a nice quiet drive, so it's not too noisy. Now the suspension is more softer a little bit, and the new tires help a lot as well. They actually developed a special tires for the new Duster, and this is the Journey trim. It's the top trim, which is now separated to Journey and the Extreme. This is more for urban driving. The Extreme is more for those who feel more adventurous, want to go camping, and so on. Now you will have a LPG 100 horsepower, we will have a mild hybrid 130 horsepower, there will be all-wheel drive 130, and this one full hybrid with 140 horsepower. This is system power. It's divided between the electric motor and the petrol inside. You have the automatic. It's a 0-speed automatic. Now this 3rd generation, they've improved a lot. It's a new platform, and interior soundproof is better. The closing sound of the doors is better. Now I've asked a few questions like why some other things weren't improved that you might expect, but considering Dacia is still a budget brand, but they like to say now we're value for money, but better value for money considering the previous generation, definitely. Surprisingly, Dacia hasn't spiked the prices too much on the 3rd generation, at least here in Croatia. The beeping sound is the speed limit. It's the new EU regulations, so you have to be warned when you are passing the speed limit or if you are driving a little bit above. Now back to the car. So still a great value for money, considering all the improvements in this 3rd generation. Now you remember, guys, I was really honest, and I really loved the Duster, the 2nd generation, but the seats were something that was steering me off from purchasing this car. Especially a lot of people who are taxiing are picking this car because it is a great value, but the 2nd generation, the seats were a bit, you know, not well enough soft, and you would just get a little butt pain, back pain after a longer drive. So in this generation, they've improved that area. They listened to the customers. They added a soft layer on the top, so when you sit down, it feels nice and comfy, but underneath there's a more dense foam, so it holds you and gives you more comfort on the longer journeys. So the moment I've sat in this car when we're driving through the press conference, I felt that this has changed, that the seats are more relaxing and they're more comfortable. Now, before we get to the highway, I'm gonna be a little bit quiet. There's a nice curvy road here, so just enjoy all the sounds the car is making. Now we're all commenting how this new warning system is kind of ridiculous because there's too many speed limits constantly changing. Some cars also read the wrong speed limit if it's an exit, so that also keeps ringing and ringing. Okay guys, we're getting into the city. It's rush hour, everyone's going home, so I think I'm gonna wrap it here. There will be separate new point of view drive. Well, I'll have this hybrid later for a longer test, so I'm gonna give you full impressions and that one there's gonna be also all-wheel drive petrol, so I'll do that one separately as well. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.